I'm here at BW Golf. I'm with my friends. I'm with Rich, Matt, and Earl. Watch me play golf, guys. Let's go, guys! So, kanina, merong lumapit sa amin. And yung tamang hand placement daw is yung... Ang hirap pala ituro. Basta ganito. So, ganito daw yung tamang hand placement. Yung point finger mo, dapat na doon nakayakap sa pinky finger mo. Let's go! Trace both arms. Ang hirap naman ito. Woo! Nice swing, Batgirl. Hi guys! So we're almost done in our session and I'm just here chilling. They also have billiards, a mini range, and of course, kung saan kami pumapalo earlier. So, andito sila Rich sa loob. Puntahan natin sila. Tumitingin na sila, oh. Oh. Tinanong ko si Rich, saan kami pupunta? Sabi niya hindi niya alam.
Kailangan ko sino may-ari nito.
Bella Porch.
Yeah.
Si Bella Porch wala may-ari ng Porch Coffee Shop. Paddle thing. Ano ko kilala yung mga yun?
Hi! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love to see you back here. Know that I appreciate you and I can't wait to hear from you soon. See you in the next one. Love, Tani.